Today meet with Anfa. She is your junior teacher. What she is going to teach you today? Let's see.
Today I'm telling to you domestic animal. Domestic animal also called farm animal. They call farm animal because they live in the farm. They play in the farm and they walk in the farm and they sleep in the farm and they play in the farm. So these are called farm animals. Look, this is a sheep. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. This is a farm animal. No, this is a cow. Say once again with me. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a cow. Cow. Cow is a farm animal. Cow gives us milk. Hey boys and girls, cow gives us milk. Look boys and girls, this is a goat. What is this? This is a goat. This is also called farm animal. No, this is a pig. Pigs also live in the farm. That's why this is called farm animal. Okay. This is a hen. This is also called farm animal. It gives us eggs. And this is a horse. This is a horse. Say once again with me. This is a horse. This is a horse. This is a horse. This is also called farm animal. Now this is a dog. This is also called pet animal. This is a rabbit. He's so naughty animal. Now this is naughty animal. It can run very fast. Now boys and girls, repeat once again with me. This is a sheep.